maybe if you come over here too. Okay, that was me then. That was your bum.
Where's the other walkie?
Jane, do you still have that walkie?
No.
Where is it?
On the chair over there. Or the ladder.
Yeah.
Set it up over there because I had no one else to do with that.
Okay.
Because we kind of stopped using it, so I was like, we leave it over there. So I think it's fucked.
Yeah, that is the Morse corner.
Okay. Putting it down.
Okay, let's go over this one. I have an idea. Let's each stand with one.
What do you say?
That's me spinning it, stand up on the capper. I just stepped and it's... No, you use that 0.7. Okay, let's make the thing go off.
Watch the chain.
I am. Well, yeah, because when you click the walkie, it goes off.
Yeah, that's why I said it. It's me. Okay. Well, we'll just...
So when the Morse code came through, it wasn't going on.
No, it wasn't.
I want to try something. Can you pass me one of the walkies?
That's fine.
One's on the chair. The thing.
Hey.
You know what this? Basically, flashlight. Where's it? I'm gonna go out
Oh,
and click it from outside to see if it still interferes with this,
either way though.
or see if we're not, or at least like see if I'm not close to anything.
I need a flashlight. You're over the headlamp.
Oh yeah, sure. Fuck, I'm stupid. I'll go over. See if it hits that.
Oh, in case it's crossing. Whoa, did you hit
Okay.
something?
Great.
No.
Okay, so it's only when it crosses by. I just wanted to check because I didn't want us to start being like, oh my god, ghost frequency. So it's only when we're close that it goes off. So wherever we're getting that other signal from,
Yeah,
it's not low. Well, at least now we do know.
Okay, that was me. Still works.
So at least now we do know though, if that goes off when the Morse code comes through, that's when we panic.
Great. I'm gonna say something over there and come back.
Can you tell me what your name is on the walkie?
You know what would be really scary? If that bottle falls off the thing.
Yeah. It's a 0.6 in the middle.
It was like on something over there, wasn't it?
Can you make one of the balls that we're standing at move? We're here to help.
I don't know what I did.
What was that?
I don't know. I don't know what I hit. There's these nails here, but like nothing fell off.
It wasn't even the. It was like a chain.
Yeah.
Is there a nail on the ground?
Not that I can see.
I was literally, because the thing is, I was up here. My arm was up here.
Excuse me.
And then I moved my arm back. Wait.
Did you feel like you hit?
No. Was it this?
No.
Was it these?
Try it.
They were all on the ground.
No. What's the club?
What else is on the ground?
What did I hit? I didn't
It
step on
wasn't even
it.
anywhere near that.
You were what, senior year?
I was like this. I was like leaning against this like this.
Yeah,
And
you were
then
right there.
I put my foot here. I stood up and then there was like ding.
Wait, hold on.
Nope, all of them are solid.
No, I was like,
Plus I wasn't on that part.
Like, maybe you hooked onto a nail by accident.
No, because I would have felt that.
That's weird.
Huh.
we'll just have whichever, that's probably me.
You're on the Walkie again.
PSA. I don't know why the fuck I keep yawning.
Saying there was a hair fluid.
It's just there.
Making an extra triangle. So those two are in line, those should, you know, they're all in line now. So it should be, now we can move it over a bit, but should be fine. Cause like try and make it, like right there. just because I was looking at it from this angle, and I'm like, those two are like offset.
Would it be a bad idea if we put a camera on these and totally ignore what's going on up in here?
Good. I feel like one of these days what we need to do.
No, wait.
What?
Does the flash regularly go off?
By itself?
When you start recording, yeah.
No. This is on that all the time.
Hot?
Yeah.
Phone.
Huh?
The phone. No.
No.
I don't know if this is hot or something else.
Okay, yeah, there's a warning light.
Yeah, it's
Battery's
too hot.
low.
Oh, that's why. It's dying.
Alright, close the phone.
The ghost is like, if you won't leave when I'm telling you to, I will drain all of your batteries.
That's the thing, though, it wants us to help it.
Yeah, but something's off tonight about it. That's the thing.
Yeah, it's like comes right out saying hi.
Well, no, it's the fact that something happened, but like, look, think about it. Everything that's happened so far, all of those make people live. Someone showing up, walkie-talkie randomly going off, batteries dying all of a sudden, aux cord not working. All things that usually you would have to, disappear for. So you're asking for help, but I'm thinking something's being like, hey, get the fuck. I mean, like planting a
There's a
toddler.
creek over there.
What?
There's a creek over there.
Never mind. I thought I saw one of those going off, but it was just a red light of the.
Is anyone in here?
Try to flush it.
Keep checking that area too. Someone hold this with. My headlights about to come off.
I got it.
Yeah. Okay, this is about to like pop off my head.
Someone have something to say?
Wait, why is there a green light over there? Oh,
That's
down.
the, yeah.
What is that? Is that you? Oh, is that what that is?
Dude.
Yeah, I was going over here to do this, and I leaned on this anyway.
Ay. I will medicate you myself, motherfucker.
Self-medication, but I'm not a hippie. Careful, Alex.
No, I know.
Where's the safe parts to stand?
We should be able to hear that thing going off from here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know that this area is fine.
Yeah.
So, see in front of me, Jadon?
Huh?
See in front of me?
Yeah.
Do not go 2 feet out from where I am. Do not. So this is about as far as I'd say you should go. Over here. Whoa. My walkie just went off. Whoa. My walkie just went off.
Is it bad that I'm like expecting the fuck out of it? For some reason I'm thinking like...
Wait. Did you just hear a creak from the next room?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is anything going off?
That climbing gear keeps scaring the shit out of me on this camera.
The what?
The climbing gear.
Yeah.
Because the top of it's reflected. So every time I shine this in there, I just see two long
Here.
things staring.
Don't go in there yet. Hold on. Can you talk to me? We're in the next room.
Zoomed in.
Cat ball just went off.
What?
Cat ball just stopped going off. I just caught the end of it. Well, I saw it. I don't know if my camera saw it. Cat ball that I was... No, the one that Alex was standing at.
Now they're going off again?
What else that was?
Here, you want to hold this while you're in there?
One on
Well,
the
we need
far
a
back.
camera in there. You can set up the camera facing them. Because we're getting more stuff and we're not paying attention to it.
What we can do is you want to put it like right here.
Here.
I don't know how to take it off.
Yeah, let me see. You hold this and that.
Is this recording audio? I'm holding it away from myself because I'm loud. Okay, shut up. God, you oblivious.
Do you want to have it up more or do you want to have it flush with the floor?
I say have it on something.
Okay. Just make sure that you have it. I think you can see the balls.
You want me to trigger each of the balls so that you can see them? Alright. Here's ball number 1. Number 2. Can you see them all?
Perfect.
Wait, hold on. Shut up! Can you see that one?
There is an orb. I just call attention to it. Stand up. Right behind you, Liz.
Alright, so... And you got
That better than me.
No, because we're all the way.
Hey.